So let's stuff the puff a little further. What will the world be like in 2025 and how to prepare? This is a loaded question. How will it change? How will humanity change? Where will our focus be? It is difficult to predict the future, that's for sure. As our technology progresses, our future shifts. AI, social media and global warming are all causes for concern in the future. The world is changing at an exponential rate. How will it be like in the year 2025? How AI is changing our lives and what that means for 2025 and beyond. We hear a lot about the impact of AI on our lives, and how it will change us in the future. But what do we know about what it's doing to us now? The effects of AI in 2025 and beyond will be monumental. I think that AI will help people live their lives in a more busy and productive way. Emerging technologies and how they will shape the future of humanity. In the future, we might be able to use AI to make every decision in our lives. We will be able to create digital assistants that can make decisions for us when it comes to simple tasks like what clothes we should wear. In the future, they will be much more complex and can also help with more personal decisions like which college courses or careers we should choose. They will also be able to create personalized content for us, so you won't need to worry about interacting with other people on social media because your AI assistant will handle all of your communications for you. How to prepare for an uncertain future. 9 steps towards successful life planning. Life is unpredictable. It is impossible to know what will happen in the future. But do not worry, we can prepare for it in some ways. Life planning can help us to deal with the uncertainty of life and become more proactive. There are many steps that we need to take in order to be prepared for an uncertain future, but most importantly, we should be doing something about it now. Uncertainty is the root of all fear. In today's society, uncertainty is on the rise and we need to prepare for it. It can be in the form of a career change, a divorce, or even the death of a parent, and we need to prepare for it. The uncertainty planning process can be aided by following these 9 steps. 1. Write down your values and strengths. 2. Understand your fears. 3. Clarify your hopes. 4. Identify what you want to achieve. 5. Start with small changes. 6. Actively engage in self-development. 7. Be realistic about what you want. 8. Ask for help when you need it. 9. And finally, get used to change in small doses. Technology is changing lives in ways that we can't even imagine. This doesn't mean that AI is replacing humans anytime soon. It's improving the way we do things, simplifying tasks and getting rid of mundane jobs. The future will see AI writers take over some of the content writing duties while human copywriters focus on creativity and emotions. I hope this video makes you a bit more certain of what the future could be like and it takes away some of your worries about it. Got questions? Got stuff, puff?